The next step is entering in your professional learning goal or your professional learning plan. Either way that this is going to be noted as a goal for your TEKS platform. Once inside of Teacher Tools, you're going to click on Infinite Campus, and then you will look on the left-hand side and click on SLDS. You will notice a tab on the top that says TEKS. You will click on TEKS. You will then click into your Teacher Keys Effective System tab for this year. You will then click on, yours will be gray, mine is yellow because I've already entered into the tab, but you will click on where it says the second big tab that says Professional Learning Goal or Plan. Then you will scroll and click on where it will be gray for you, but it will say PSC Professional Learning Goal or Plan. You will click Edit. Do not click New. You will put the date that you are putting the information in, that's your date of acknowledgement, and then you will enter in your goal statement. It's good to already have this copy and pasted from another site, so you can go into an email that you might send to yourself or Microsoft Word and just paste it. You will then click the performance standards as it relates to your goal. I will share this with you. Your goals are not the same as mine, so please don't just put the ones that I'm putting. I will share with you the ones that as it relates to your goal. At that point, you will then also mark it as being completed, and you will put Save and Submit. You don't have to worry about attaching any documents at this time. And that's all.